tool.
Okay, here we go.
Fancy winder tool goes there. Looks like it's made to take a 1/2-inch wrench in here, so what I'm doing. What the hell kind of junk ass tool is this? It doesn't open up.
Oh, you make me laugh.
You got a good wrench around here?
Yeah, it's in the top box. One of those top drawers.
I want to ratchet. A breaker bar, something to control.
Yep.
Stupid ass tools. Okay, that's gonna pull there. If it goes over here, it pulls there. I want it there.
That doesn't look like it's very.
Is that in there all the way or not? No light, can't see. Yeah, it's in the hole.
It's in the hole.
This needs to go to a different spot. Okay, are we gonna be able to turn this off or not? Okay, we wanna go which way? Alternator screwing me over there. I'm tired of screwing that damn alternator. Oh, it's gonna come back to the same spot, but yep, we're still fighting.
Ouch.
Ah, that hurts. Okay, so we can rotate it this way. Hope it's got enough clearance I can pull it.
You have to pull it.
Nope.
You have to pull it.
I was hoping you'd have to do it, but I knew it was going to have to pull off.
Well, sorry, keep wandering, folks.
Break. Are you wandering again?
I'm wondering. I'm wondering.
Okay, you can kill a break. Why's my knee hurt, Fred?
We need a heater.
Why did my knee hurt?
Oh.
Not my heater. Heater's fine, my knee hurts. Why is that not going back? Obviously it came off the end of the kink. Yep. Crank's in the wrong spot, Fred.
That is the wrong spot. What the fuck?
I just lost my gear. I turned the crank the wrong way because I can't see a damn thing because it's dark. And I popped out my gear here, so we're not even lined up anymore. So we have no idea where we're at now. All I know for sure is I'm off.
There you go.
Yeah, but it's totally different now.
No, it's not. You were right before. No, they're way off. No. Yep, you're right. The other way. Now you know for sure. Move it back one and
Well, it's the same. It's just, it's in between kind of where it belongs. It's like a third of a tooth off.
from my angle, this thing's way off. Not even close. This is going up and down.
We're a third of a tooth off. We're 2/3 off now. We were a third off before. And this mark's not even dead center on that tooth either, but that tooth is lined up right there.
Yep.
That one's not even close.
Yep.
So it's just one of those deals. It just doesn't line up very well.
That would be a correct statement. Put the pin back in.
I can't see in there. Okay, this time trying to pull this one off, but it probably will again. Which we're going backwards this time, so yeah. See, this stuff just doesn't work very well. One tooth. This also got a lot of mileage on this bike.
Yep.
So this chain is probably stretched a little bit.
Why wouldn't you?
I think as I go the wrong direction. Each time I did that went the wrong direction, both times. Not sure where we're at here. There it goes. Stupid alternator over there is definitely screwing me.
There it is.
Back where we're in the wrong spot, see? All right, we are correct. It's wrong.
Or correct us right now.
It's the least amount of air this way. I bet you it's because the chain is probably stretched, would be my guess.
Yeah.
So,
And that would do that.
so if the chain is stretched, it should be further apart, which is what we are. We're further apart.
Yep.
So in the stock position, further apart.
Yeah, that chain's got all kinds of sloppity slop right there.
That does a different thing. Yeah, it might be used. It's like a car to get, they're like an inch
Yeah.
stretch in car chains. This thing's got a lot too.
Excuse me.
All right, one more time, make sure we're back to where we started one video ago. And we're exactly too
Yep.
far to the right by the same amount on the line.
Yep.
That's because this is stretched too much, so it allows it to go like that, which opens it up, gives us
Yep.
our air. So when you do that, that does what? That should be retarding it. The crank turns this way. Yeah, it's that way, so it does retard it.
Okay.
See how it does that?
Yep.
You get the camera there, you get somewhere else?
It's on it.
Because as this thing stretches, it rotates this way here, which makes the marks go further apart,
Yep.
retarding it. So it is retarded, which is going to give it more top end. Theoretically. My testing does the opposite, but oh well. All right, that's all in there. She all looks good. So we know it's correct, kind of. It's correct for what it is.
Yep.
So that's about all we know for sure.
It is what it is.
Keep that covered.
Ugh, it's over in the box over there.
Got a nice format gasket with goop.
That's good.
Do you think they're overdoing this shit? Formats your sealer material, which is that spongy rubber shit, and then they put silicone on top of it.
Nice.
Talk about stuff you don't need to do. Stupid.
Stupid is or stupid does. Stupid is or
Did you
stupid
clean this
does.
out yet?
I didn't clean it.
Looks pretty clean to me.
He says wipe it down.
It looks pretty clean to me.
Let's wipe it down. It'll be good to go.
Yeah, touch the other half though.
Clean this bike up, man. It's gonna look good once it's cleaned up.
Now should I take the old gasket off or leave it on?
Oh, it's still there.
Just leave it on. Use it. It wasn't leaking.
Oh shit.
Well, you thought I was lying?
No, I didn't. Yeah, that was.
It's on there pretty good. It's on there really good.
Well, just put it on.
Too late, I already bent it.
Oh, it's still
Need a pair of pliers, screwdriver. Who's that Phillips we got over there? Yeah.
nice work. Well, at least it's clean.
I think that gasket's bad. You think it's bad?
Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Well, I guess I'm not gonna straighten it out now.
Did that help it? I missed the garbage. Short. Looks pretty clean. Did you ever find some spray lube around this place?
I keep drifting. Spray lube?
Yeah, some knee cleaner, knee bunker.
He's got brake clean in there.
I thought I saw some somewhere.
Okay. Oh, on this one.
Got gun out. Where's the brake clean?
Carburetor choke cleaner. Oh,
That's not brake clean, that's carb cleaner. Totally different, buddy.
I know that.
Don't mix them. It's not the same thing. Bill conditioner. WD. Oh, I see a red label I like.
Electronic cleaner?
I think there's electronics on the bike.
Yeah, but it's not what you're looking for.
Still cleaner. Hey, if he wanted good stuff, he would have a can of that stuff laying there for us to use. That-
AutoZone, engine degreaser. No, that's not gonna do
I
it.
can tell he's really into cleaning stuff, but not actually cleaning parts. So. This is pretty.
Brake parts. Almost empty.
The key word is what?
Almost empty.
Almost. Almost means perfect for what we need.
Man, you got put some
Brett.
wax on this thing. What? Hang on. Man, my freaking hip is. It is. No, it's bad. No. No. Some beach.
This.
Some beach.
What about glass cleaner? Glass cleaner work?
I don't know. Why don't we poke a hole in it and get the last little spooge out of the bottom of
I
it?
don't know if the spooge is going to do anything for us. I'm thinking this is worth it. It costs more money, but it's worth it. It's all right. I'm good with that. Are you good with that, Fred?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, good.
That's enough.
Smells like brake cleaner. Fred's getting home. Doesn't cut like brake cleaner, though. Still got gook in here. Gooky.
What's he have?
That's all right. If he wanted to clean this, he would have did it before, so we're just gonna use it. That's why you gotta change the oil after you rebuild the motor quickly.
Yeah.
Get junk like this out.
Okay, that's going in the
Fred,
trash.
why do you still have that piece of crap thing with you?
I don't anymore. I'm gonna go sit down again. My hip is in really bad.
Fred, why don't you go sit down? Don't you eat? Fred,
Huh? No, I can't. I'm good here. That chair is comfortable though.
the dogs liked it.
That is a damn comfortable chair.
The dogs liked it a lot.
I could take a nap in that.
Might be in a minute. Okay, where's our bolts, Fred? How many bolts do we need?
They're over there.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Fred, we got 10 here.
It's perfect. And we're running out of parts, which is also good news.
It's a lot better than being out of parts and still needing them. Because that's where we were the other day.
Is it better to know me and not need me than need me and not know me?
That's it. Big difference in those two.
Now we need a speed dial. We need a speed.
We need a time, what, a moon dial?
We need a air ratchet.
Zip, 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 zip. I don't put these things in the ratchets, you know that.
Yeah.
I use my mini ratchet though. Spin it quick. Should get all the bolts started though, make sure it's centered before you start twerking any of them down.
Yeah.
That's that one wasn't in there all the way yet. That one's loose too. Where's the extension?
Use that one right there.
That's pretty big, I'd rather have a small one.
No, look, he's got the, look, he's got this. What are you doing? Okay. Use whatever you want.
I am.
Don't trust me.
I'm not. This sure looks like a twin cam bike. I don't work on twin cams.
Hey, you don't work on twin cams.
Pain in the ass. So why don't you use a zip gun?
What's that? You can bend the crap out of the,
Because you might break something.
break the cover.
More like screw up the threads.
That too.
Quarter threads like to cross thread very easy.
Yeah.
And these like to strip out very easy too.
Yep.
So this being a format gasket, it's going to compress a lot.
Yeah.
So what's that mean?
You're just gonna have to go around again.
Yep, I'm just gonna retort.
Tighten it several times.
And I don't think I did several, but I definitely go back over one more time.
It's more than once.
Yeah, it's definitely twice. Feels pretty solid now, so it's not really moving anymore. There we go.
It's together.
That part. You lift us. All right, that's it for now until owner comes back.
Yep.
We're
All
done.
right. Goodbye.